So the students at EWCTC have already started disassembling the Eclipse. We went over and took a look at it, and they're basically ready where they're going to be molding the body kit and all that stuff next. So we're going to get that ordered. So we have, with the help of the internet, figured out exactly what body kit it is. It's a Blitz style. So we're going to go ahead and get that ordered. There's two different kinds of kits we can get. We can end up with a fiberglass kit or with a polyurethane kit. And the main difference is fiberglass is cheap. They usually don't show up perfect. It's usually like you got to sort of cut them up and splice them together and mess with them a lot before they'll fit the car perfectly. And also, if you do happen to hit something with the front lip of the car or whatever, they crack really easily. So what we're going to do is the polyurethane setup. It's a little bit more expensive, but since we are going to be driving the car and taking it to shows and things, we want that to hold up long term. Also, since they are students learning to do this stuff, fiberglass is probably going to be pretty annoying for them to deal with, honestly. So we're going to get the poly one. So we're going to go ahead and get that ordered. It's online here. It says it usually ships within 3 to 5 days. Looking at $582, which I don't think is too bad. And it should be basically an exact replica of the one from the movie. So we're going to go ahead and add that to cart. And the other thing that we're going to order is the headlights. The ones that we have in there are pretty beat up, and also these, I believe, are slightly different. The ones that we have are so fogged up and messed up that I can't really tell what they look like, but this looks like an aftermarket housing to me with the black in between everything. And I found, I think, the exact same ones here on eBay, and they've sold, it was like 900 of them. They have good product reviews on it, and they're super cheap. They're $80. So we're going to go ahead and order those as well. Very excited for the parts to start coming in. It's going to really start making it feel real, I think. Okay, so the body kit just showed up. We expected some really enormous, like 10-foot long boxes for the bumpers, and this is what we got. So there's a sticker on it that says that it's guaranteed that if we pull it out of the box and set it in the sun, that it's going to, I guess, stretch. I'm assuming they're rolled up, so we're going to do that. The problem is we're in Pennsylvania, so there is no such thing as sun. So we're going to try to use infrared lamps or whatever we got, because it does say or other heat source. So let's see what happens.
Oh, that's the back bumper.
That's the back bumper.
It's rubber?
What? On the bright side, if we hit anything with this, it's not going to crack.
Well, I don't know. Well,
Can you paint that?
That's what I'm looking at. Like, can you paint this?
Strange. They told me to buy polyurethane. That's what it is. So
It's like siding.
Here, set it like this, maybe, so
Yeah, fold back under it.
unfold itself a little bit.
Do you think they have heat lamps there?
yeah.
Maybe you should just leave it folded up.
No.
I don't trust that.
Look, back bumper.
Looks like a back bumper.
And here we got a front bumper.
That's insane.
All I know is that at this moment it has me a little freaked out. I don't know. I guess you can paint it. It doesn't feel like you can paint it. It feels like 1/4-inch thick rubber. It's not smooth. It definitely needs sanded. I'm assuming that the body shop at EWCTC can handle that, and they were prepared for it. They're the ones that told me to order polyurethane. So see how it goes. Jimmy has new information.
It says 10 to 20 minutes to activate the memory agent. Your product will form back into perfect shape after heat.
And then all caps. Amazing.
We know.
We know.
Nah.
Put it in a heated painted booth or a heat source for approximately 10 to 20 minutes. This will activate the memory agent and your product will form back into perfect shape. Amazing, we know.